Oh, hello and welcome to another quick update about Solana. So Solana has now come down to that level I cited in the previous video update, this $166 level. In one of my earlier updates today for our members, I posted, oops, I'm actually on the wrong channel. Let's just navigate to the correct channel in our members area. So, and we'll look for Solana. So you can actually see also what's included in our gold membership. Yeah, but what I wanted to highlight is in one of my updates, yesterday actually, the idea was that we were navigating down lower in this A wave, right? And that the $166 level might act as structural support. And it looks more and more as if wave one has formed a price top. Yeah? So that's still the case because in yesterday's update, I told you that a break below $172, we're now there, would suggest further that wave one has indeed formed the top. So we're watching for development of the A wave, of a larger A wave, and the $166 level as structural support. That is where we are now. And the price has even reacted to this level, okay? So we're sort of in that area here of a previous swing low. And I mean, it looks like maybe that B wave has now started. I also highlighted earlier today that we have a potential 5-wave move down. That's in line with an A wave. An A wave can be a 5-wave move or a 3-wave move. And so, yeah, so far no surprises here. The market might indeed still work on that head and shoulders pattern. I think we also talked about that in yesterday's video. That's all still very consistent with previous updates, and there is no change to the wave count. I think that is very important. What needs to happen to further confirm now this yellow scenario and the idea that we've actually really started a larger correction, we need to hold a lower high here. I've added the standard retracements to the chart. Nothing is broken yet, so these are located around $173 to $183, and then we can get a C wave down. So we have this ABC pattern to the downside in wave A. Then we could get a B wave bounce from there, and we go down further even lower. And this is the head and shoulders pattern I communicated earlier today or yesterday, but I'm normally not too focused on these. I'm just pointing it out because it is very much in line with an Elliott wave pattern as well. But normally we don't need these patterns, these additional patterns, because Elliott wave tells us the whole story already. Yeah. So that means I'm watching for a potential bounce from this region. Doesn't necessarily mean the absolute low is already in here of this A wave. We might see maybe another low. We haven't even broken above the previous high. But yeah, this is now after 5 waves down. We could start a B wave. So we've got this wave 1. Let me think. No, this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we already have 5 waves down. But of course, I cannot rule out another downside extension. It's important now that to keep the downside momentum intact locally, the price should hold below, 182.70, and then a break below 166 should accelerate the downside momentum. And the main support area that will then come into focus starts at $143.50. So yes, just a quick update. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.